Okay, you recognize this tool right here. It's a VW tool 3132, and it's for, you know, this front diff for that nut right there. You see I've adapted it to this engine stand, and it goes like that, and it has a pin. I have to do one hand. Anyway, this pinion shaft goes in there, engages those 4 pegs, and you know that would sit there if I had the gear, but I don't. Anyway, it goes in there. The tool is another part of the tool, and then it adapts to your torque wrench here. Okay, so, and then I put this on the end, keeps it engaged. So anyway, I built this tool for a friend just to speed up his process a little bit. Okay, here's more of a close-up. Okay, there's that part, that retainer goes in there, and it keeps it engaged. And then this part here is just, you know, matched to that post there. And it just clicks on there, and the pin goes across like that. There it is.